And guys, as you can see, we have Blox Fruits scripts. So we have farming, we have stats, fruits. What's up fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, and up here you have scripts. Click there and you will find the online tool Blox Fruits. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile official on your Roblox and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Okay, it's connected. And do you have Delta executor? No, I don't have. Import newest Delta, yes, and select script. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, let me click continue, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox Fruits, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I am not a robot to verify yourself. And now guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Or downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the tasks. I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together for this redirecting and let's see. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Blox Fruits are important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see. Okay. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and we have this panel we have. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, and let me click here. And guys, as you can see, we have all scripts added successfully. So let me click execute. Okay, and let's see. Let's wait for this a little bit. And guys, let me see once again. Okay, execute. And guys, as you can see, we have Blox Fruits scripts. So we have farming, we have stats, we have fruits. So we have all these scripts and this is amazing, guys. So enjoying the game, go to apploop.com and get your Blox Fruits scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.